Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, there's something for everyone here. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the EOC06 embroidery machine by Poulin. This entry-level embroidery machine is an excellent pick for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly design and generous embroidery area. With a maximum embroidery field of 7.9 by 11 inches and multiple hoop sizes included, this machine is perfect for larger projects like beddings, towels, and sweatshirts. It also comes with 156 built-in patterns, 8 fonts, and multilingual support, which makes it a versatile and accessible choice for newcomers. The EOC06 features a 7-inch color touchscreen that allows for drag-and-drop editing, giving you the flexibility to customize your designs with ease. It also includes valuable extras like pre-wound bobbins, stabilizers, and a thread rack stand, so you can hit the ground running. However, note that it requires assembly, which might be a slight hurdle for absolute beginners. On the downside, this machine is on the heavier side at 35 pounds, and may not be the most portable option. The price point is incredibly attractive, but it does reflect some limitations in terms of advanced features. That said, for anyone just stepping into the embroidery world, this is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance and excellent value. At number 4, we have the Brother PE900 embroidery machine. This mid-range embroidery-only machine is tailored for enthusiasts who want to create high-quality embroidered designs with ease. Its standout feature is the wireless LAN connectivity, which allows you to transfer designs seamlessly from your computer or mobile app. The Artspira app integration opens up a world of creativity, letting you draw and customize patterns directly on your mobile device. The PE900 boasts a 5x by 7-inch embroidery field, which is great for medium to large projects. It comes with a sharp LCD color touchscreen for on-screen editing, giving you plenty of control over your designs. This machine is known for its precision and reliability, but it's important to point out that it's an embroidery-only machine, meaning it lacks sewing capabilities. If you're looking for a combination machine, this might not be the one for you. Overall, the PE900 is a solid choice for hobbyists and small business owners who need a reliable machine for embroidery-specific tasks. While it's priced higher than some competitors, its wireless connectivity, user-friendly interface, and strong build quality make it worth considering if embroidery is your primary focus. Taking the third spot is the Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine. This versatile combo machine is perfect for those who want the best of both worlds, sewing and embroidery. It comes with 135 built-in designs, 10 fonts, and 103 sewing stitches, making it an all-in-one solution for creative projects. The 4x4 embroidery field is ideal for smaller designs, and the machine includes an embroidery arm and 8 sewing feet for added functionality. One of the highlights of the SE700 is its wireless LAN connectivity. Using the free design database transfer software or the Artspira mobile app, you can easily send designs to the machine. The 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen is smaller compared to higher-ranked models, but still offers intuitive controls and on-screen editing. Additionally, the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin make this machine beginner-friendly. While the SE700 is a fantastic multi-use machine, its smaller embroidery field may not be ideal for large projects. Nevertheless, at $499.99, it offers great value, especially for beginners and hobbyists who want to explore both sewing and embroidery without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Brother SE2000 computerized sewing and embroidery machine. This premium model is designed for serious crafters and small business owners who need both high-quality sewing and embroidery functionality. It features a generous 5-inch by 7 embroidery field, perfect for larger and more intricate designs. With 190 built-in embroidery designs, 13 fonts, and 241 sewing stitches, the SE2000 is an incredibly versatile machine. The SE2000 includes advanced features like color sort and jump stitch trimming, which optimize embroidery efficiency and minimize thread waste. The 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen offers precise editing tools, such as resizing, rotating, and combining designs. Additionally, it features wireless LAN for seamless design transfers via the Artspira app or design database transfer software. While the SE2000 is undoubtedly a top-tier machine, its price point of $1,299.99 may be out of reach for some users. However, for those who can invest, it delivers exceptional performance, build quality, and features that cater to both sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. This machine is best suited for advanced users who want professional-grade results. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the EOC05 embroidery machine by Poulin. This machine strikes the perfect balance between affordability, functionality, and user-friendliness, making it our top pick for the best embroidery machine. With a maximum embroidery area of 4 by 9.25 inches and 130 built-in designs, this machine caters to a wide range of projects, from small items like socks to larger designs on table runners or jackets. The EOC05 features a 7-inch color touchscreen that offers an intuitive interface for editing designs. It comes with 2 hoops, 4x4 and 4 by 9.25, 6 rolls of thread, stabilizers, and pre-wound bobbins, making it a complete starter bundle for beginners. Plus, the InStitch i2 computer system simplifies the learning curve, allowing users to combine patterns, edit fonts, and work with multiple colors seamlessly. Priced at $687.99, the EOC05 delivers incredible value for the price. While it lacks some of the advanced features of higher-priced models, its ease of use, large embroidery area, and comprehensive accessory bundle make it a fantastic choice for both beginners and intermediate users. It's a reliable, feature-packed machine at a mid-range price point, which is why it earns our #1 spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.